Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've got access and permission. Now begin. Open OneNote and select the notebook you'll use. Once done, choose the page and click the Copilot icon. If you want voice input, tap the mic and speak a concise instruction like summarize this page or create meeting notes. Make sure sync finishes before asking Copilot to act on multiple pages. This avoids missing content. Also verify Copilot's language setting matches your input, so results stay accurate and context-aware. Now focus on structuring content. Select a block of notes and instruct Copilot to summarize or extract action items. You'll get concise bullets you can edit. Once you have actions, ask Copilot to create tags or convert items into a task list with due dates. This links back to your Outlook or To-Do. If your page needs consistent formatting, request a template or table and apply it across sections. Make sure to review suggested headings so they reflect your intent and project hierarchy. Finish by reviewing every Copilot-generated change. Accept, refine, or revert edits so the notebook matches your voice. Then share with collaborators and set proper permissions. Give edit rights for co-authoring or view only for reference. Once shared, ask Copilot to draft a summary email or meeting brief for recipients. If something goes wrong, first confirm OneNote sync completed, then check Copilot permissions and Microsoft service status. If problems persist, sign out and back in to refresh tokens before retrying the operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.